a story WHAS 11 News has been following closely. A death in Louisville is likely related to hepatitis A, according to health officials in Frankfort. Now, this could be the first known death from hepatitis A ever in Kentucky since that outbreak began in November of 2017.
11 at 11's Heather Fontaine has more information you need to know on the outbreak here that's affecting 124 people in Louisville.
More than 100 people have been infected in Jefferson County after a hepatitis A outbreak here in Louisville. But health officials say your chances of getting the virus are likely low, even after news that a Kroger employee at the Dixie Highway location was diagnosed. Dr. Lori Kaloya explains.
We can't know for sure that there's no risk at all, so we want to make sure that the public is aware, that they know that there's a potential risk, but knowing that the processes were followed according to the way they should be makes us fairly confident that the risk is reduced.
That employee worked in the produce section. Customers were advised to get rid of any meat purchased from this particular Kroger during the month of February. But Dr. Kaloya says there's no reason to stop shopping there altogether.
Our environmental staff have already met with Kroger and talked about the recommended environmental measures to make. How do you clean the environment to make sure that everybody's safe there? I don't think that there's any reason to shut down an institution in a situation like this.
Dr. Kaloya says about 75% of people seen with cases so far have been affected by some sort of drug use. Even those using clean needles are still at risk.
If they have risk factors such as IV drug use, non-IV drug use, if they're homeless, if you associate with someone who's using drugs, those would be things that would make me as a person say I need to go and get vaccinated if I haven't already been.
Dr. Kaloya says it's simple to protect yourself from the disease. First, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds after going to the bathroom and before and after you eat. There's also a free vaccine offered at the Department of Public Health and Wellness.
And some symptoms for hepatitis A can be very common, like a fever or nausea. But also be on the lookout if your skin or your eyes turn yellow. If you have any more questions, just head to our website, WHAS11.com. We'll have the answers for you there. I'm Heather Fontaine, 11 at 11.